Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So we will be discussing how to write discuss both views essay. So this is the essay that was part of 11 January 2025 IELTS exam writing task 2, and basically I am going to cover how to generate ideas along with the planning format, and of course you can see underlined words over here in the question statement. I will be showing you the vocabulary and its synonym for these words, because if you repeat the same words in this essay: parents, single mom, single dads, raised effectively, children, two parent family. So this is not a good way to write your IELTS essay. You can't get even six bands also if you repeat the same words again and again. Okay, I will be showing you synonym of these words also. And let's read the question statement. So what will you do when you will get this question statement? Definitely I will be reading the question statement 3-4 times. At least it should be fit in your brain for the next 40 minutes, that I'm going to write about whether single parent family can can raise their child properly, effectively, I mean, or two parents can give good environment for happy childhood. Okay, so both the topics are same. They are talking about child raised effectively. Like single father or mother can do it, or both the parents can do it. Which is better environment for a child, that we need to tell. Of course I will go with second one, but that doesn't mean that they are failure. No, they will raise more effectively their child actually. So this I have seen in my personal experience also, but here I will support this because it is required. Okay, but this is discuss both views essay, so we need to expand this point of view also properly, without any taking side of this side. No, we have to expand it properly. This also we have to expand it properly, this side also, and then we will give our decision that we support this later point of view. So a format of this essay is, first, as you know, we will be writing introduction. Introduction means paraphrasing of question statement, because now there is no need to give any hook line and all. So big statement is this. So you just paraphrase the question statement and then announce which side you are, and then tell what you are going to tell in the essay. Like definitely you will be explaining both the point of view. So that is introduction. And then in body 1 you will be talking about single parenting. Those who are saying this, single parent families, single moms and dads. And then in second body paragraph you will be talking about both parents, how they can give happy environment during childhood, during their childhood. Okay, and one more paragraph you can make for giving your own opinion, but it should not be too long. So your opinion is also important, why you support this second one, because I am supporting this second one. Now as you know, we have 40 minutes for this writing task 2, and first 5 minutes you will be spending on planning. Next last 5 minutes you will be spending on proofread your essay. It means you will be rereading your essay, whatever you have written. Then you will get your spelling errors, any punctuation mistake, any major point we can't change during 5 minutes, but basic mistakes we can correct it. Okay, so before starting generation of ideas about this, let me show you vocabulary for this. So single parent, so how I have done, you can also do like that in your actual exam or while doing practice. Single parent families, every time we will be writing this when we will be describing first point of view. Single parent families, single moms or dads. Okay, uh, children also we have to repeat it so many times, raised effectively, and two parents and happy childhood. These words I will be showing you vocabulary and synonyms. So for children we can write, if we are giving any situation, like you can use the word child also. youngsters, young ones, juveniles, teenagers, adolescents. Okay. Single parent, single mother, single father, one parent family, or sole provider, guardian of a child. Okay. Both parents, traditional family structure, mother father, or parenting, you can say. Happy childhood, you can write pleasant childhood days, happy upbringing, idyllic childhood tenure. Raised, you can use the word upbringing, nurture, rearing, bringing up, parenting. So these are the words, you can note it, you can use it in your essay. Yes, before starting generation of ideas, please, yes, please like and subscribe if you want. Okay. And let me know in your comment section whether you have understood how to generate ideas or not. Okay, how to generate ideas. So in actual planning also you can do this line, and here first point of view, here second point of view. Let's discuss single parenting, why they can, how they can raise. So let's read it again. Single moms or dads taking care of one or two children can still be raised effectively. How they can raise effectively, so this we can discuss it here. So we will when we will start this paragraph, we can write the introduction of this single parent, like in old days, single parenting or divorcee parents were not accepted. Let me change my pen. So whatever the points it will come into my mind, I will just write it, and then I will decide which one is important. So in all days, okay, they were not accepted. Okay, in old days they were not accepted, and people were looking at these parents and children, these single parent family child were not accepted in the society and in the school also. Now society change. Okay, with the society feeling some change, or society evolves, you can write the word evolves instead of changes. Okay, then you can say now more acceptance. This is just platform or introduction about the single parenting in one or two sentences. More acceptance to the to single parents. Now how they can raise any child effectively. So because main point is can be raised effectively by one parent, how they can. Okay, so more attention. So definitely if mother is single, she is divorcee, then definitely she will give more attention to the child. Okay, to the child, it means and if the definitely she has to work, she has to bring finances and all, means if she is giving stability to life, then a child can become a responsible person. He can feel more independence at younger age. Okay, more responsible, he will become more responsible. I'm just writing the point here, more responsible. This is the point that has responsible at younger age. When his father or mother is working, definitely he will take care of all other things at younger age. That is the main thing, it will come out. And um, what else, more attention to the child, it means and when parent is giving stability, that time that children will become independent and responsible person. He might be developing, he can develop problem solving technique also, problem solving skills also. Okay, so that is the thing, that how it how a single parent can give good environment when there is a good environment, a positive environment, then definitely that child can also get good childhood. Okay, happy childhood also. Now coming to both parents, so how they can give. Of course, both parents, a traditional family structure, you can say. um, um, so when both parents will be there, then child can adopt uh, many skills from mother and father, many skills from mother and father. And definitely when happy environment at home, he will also be having happy childhood. Okay. And not only because, as you know, when a couple is there, or not only parents, but also relatives will also visit frequently. Okay, you can write it in your language, frequently. That time also he will learn uh, many good etiquettes or good behavior also, how to survive in a society and all. So many things they can give. And definitely happy environment means whenever a child is having birthday or any good moment in from his school and all, both parents will give a warm environment, then it will be their happy childhood. So these things we can always give. And my points, definitely child can adopt many skills, so it may parent both parents will become role models. This is the point. And here, happy environment at home, then definitely happy childhood. Here, not only parents but also relatives will also visit frequently, then also they can learn good behavior for the society and all. So many things you can discuss. So there is no outside, there is no that kind of example I have used. So I will be giving situation kind of thing if you want.